Hey guys, welcome back to FinLadder. आज के वीडियो में we have Amisha with us जिनने हमारे साथ FRM की क्लासेस ज्वाइन की थी and she cleared her FRM again फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में. अभी तक आई नो वी हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस. ऐश्वर्या के साथ वीडियो बना दिया था, शुभिता के साथ वीडियो बना दिया था, अनुषा हु वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ FinLadder इन द इनिशियल डेज, बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में FinLadder ज्वाइन किया था तो उनके साथ भी एक वीडियो बना दिया था. एंड आज वी हैव अमीशा विद अस. अमीशा की स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. शी इज स्टिल इन कॉलेज एंड उनने FRM लेवल 1 कर लिया एंड नाउ मूविंग अहेड विद FRM लेवल 2. तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग वो सब समझेंगे. इसके अलावा आई ऑल्सो डिड वन मोर थिंग. इतने ही सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने और भी काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने FinLadder ज्वाइन किया एंड FinLadder के साथ FRM लेवल 1 क्लियर किया, सब कुछ फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में. तो मैंने उन लोगों को एक मीटिंग में बुलाया एंड उनके साथ एक मीटिंग की. तो आई पुट अप अ क्लिप ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. मे बी यू विल बी एबल टू सी दैट हियर. फॉर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर क्लियरिंग FRM. नाउ अब आप लोग कब एग्जाम दे रहे हो? अनुषा, approximate date. May level 2.
May 20.
Amisha,
Yeah.
approximate.
November.
Shubhita, Shubhita.
November.
अच्छा, ऐश्वर्या, hopefully.
May 22.
देवजीत, जल्दी जल्दी. ओके, तब तक अश्विता. देवजीत तब तक अटक अटक के बोल रहे हैं. नवंबर. एंड सादिया, आप कब प्लान कर रहे हो देने का?
November.
Okay, perfect. So this has been the journey of these people who were associated with FinLadder and have ended up clearing FRM level 1. Most of them are going for level 2 in November. Hopefully all of them end up clearing FRM level 2 in November and काफ़ी अमेजिंग यंग एजेस पे FRM बन जाएंगे. इफ़ यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू ज्वाइन FRM क्लासेज और वॉन्ट टू नो मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट FRM, go to the description of this video. You'll find a counseling form. Fill that form. Our counselor will reach out to you and आपको सारी FRM की डिटेल्स के साथ हेल्प कर देगा. Having said that, आगे की बात करते हैं. आज के वीडियो में we have Amisha with us. She is still in her college and ended up clearing FRM level 1 and going ahead with FRM level 2. तो उनसे बात करते हैं, जानते हैं उनसे कि उनका कैसा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा एंड उनके आगे के क्या प्लान्स हैं एंड वो क्या स्ट्रैटेजी रेकमेंड करेंगे टू क्लियर FRM level 1. So see you at the other side. Thank you so much for taking out the time and मैंने लोगों को ऑलरेडी एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया है, बट स्टिल I would want you to introduce yourself.
So yes, Amisha this side. I am a second year student from Shahid Rajguru College of Applied Sciences for Women, University of Delhi, and I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Management Studies. So from my first semester, I had an inclination towards finance and wanted to pursue something that is, specialized over there. So two thoughts come to mind: either FRM, CFA, or
Exactly.
CFA.
मेरे पास भी यही हुआ था जब मैं अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में था. मेरे पास भी यही हुआ था. CFA FRM नहीं, सॉरी.
And Indian families always, pursue कि CA ही करना है, बच्चे CA ही करना है, but no, obviously it wasn't my choice. So either I could go for FRM or CFA. And CFA, since you can do in your third year, so why to waste my first and second year? So I reached out to FinLadder on somewhere in April 2021. So they first told me to pursue small courses. So yes, I started with NCFM. Then I knew कि हाँ हो रहा है and हो जाएगा. So
मजा आ
then
रहा
we
था क्या
started.
CFM में?
Yes, it was interesting, and because basics थे, so I wanted deep knowledge and more of stuff to be covered. So then we started with FRM on 25th of April, and yes, now I've cleared with first quartile in 3 out of 4 subjects.
आपने अपनी प्रेपरेशन कब से स्टार्ट की?
So it began in the first class was on 25th of April, but main preparation started in May, June. The classes were going on, weekend classes. So, basic 1 or 2 hours study on the weekdays, not that much pressure was there. But yes, the curriculum is vast.
If you have to break it down, आपने मैक्सिमम प्रेपरेशन किस टाइम पे की? मतलब स्टार्ट में कितने आवर्स दिन को देते थे या वीकेंड्स को देते थे? If you had to break it down for someone.
Weekends were just classes 3 hours. उसके बाद I was not in that mood to study. But weekdays, 1 to 2 hours daily was there. What was taught on the weekend was covered by me on the weekdays by making my own notes.
So
Yes.
what was the
By
pattern
September,
that you
I
followed?
did not-
Pattern that you followed? Which book did you start with?
I started with FMP, then quants, then BRM, and then form.
ठीक है,
Okay.
perfect.
And it is very important to give importance to form. मतलब people are very, lenient about it, but it tricks you a lot. Means when you face those CAPM, the middle chapters, 5, 6, and 7, those are very tricky when the paper comes. Okay. And even though case study one chapter, bank failures. Okay. So the case studies which I gave importance to were not questioned. I was questioned that savings and loss Wali case study, and I hadn't read much about it, but yes, I had an idea about it, so it was easy to answer the question.
One more question. Was there any part of the syllabus जो आपने बोला था ये नहीं करके जाऊंगी, I'll leave this part?
Yes, I was skeptical about a few chapters in VAR, because VAR I was very scared.
Okay.
I wanted to skip few chapters, but I didn't think it was the right step to skip.
Exactly.
So end में I focused. I watched lectures of our sir again, and then था कि not giving that importance, but yes, I was I knew the crux of them. So हाँ, एक दो क्वेश्चन आए भी थे जो मैं स्किप करने का छोड़ रही थी, दो उनमें से नहीं पता मुझे, but yes, I still, was able to figure out some part.
In the exam, did you attempt all the questions?
Yes, I did all the questions.
Very good.
And time management is not an issue. It is very much doable in 2.5 or 3 hours. The paper is very much doable.
My question.
Then the last.
My question wasn't did you attempt all the questions? I'm so sorry. My question was मैं articulate नहीं कर पाया question. My question was did you know that your answer is correct? मतलब how many were those types of questions and how many were like ठीक है मुझे इसका
they
answer
were around 70. I knew कि हाँ these are totally correct. Then last 30 I gave 1 hour to them, and ऐसा नहीं था कि कुछ भी नहीं आता था उनमें से. You get stuck between two options. So
you eliminate two options and you're stuck with two options. अच्छा last 30
Yes.
minutes होता. About your material, what material did you follow? And if you could break it down, कि पहले क्या बाद में क्या?
So if I go in the order, first I made my own notes using Schwezer. Okay. Then practice Schwezer question bank side by side during that April to July period. Then again revised my curriculum, went to AP.
Analyst paper.
Most of the paper is around AP and VT, mix of it. Okay. So first did the AP. Then I was skeptical about doing VT, but 70-80% I did binary turtle, because yes, it helped me shaping my giving a strong support to the concepts, because paper में concepts ही test करते हैं, and the questions you see in the exam are very different to the questions you have done in your question banks or the mocks you have given. So it's important that you give a strong foundation to your concepts. Is very important. So then last binary turtle. After that I gave mocks, and I again came back to revision.
Okay, so how confident were you जब आप exam देकर आए? How confident were you?
No, I was happy. I was not, I was chilled out कि हाँ अच्छा गया है and हो जाएगा. बहुत ही बिंदास थी. I was, even thinking of starting level 2 preparations the very next week. But still there is a doubt, कि होगा नहीं होगा. And for level 2 you need a lot of time. So yes, I gave, 2 months I was just chilling, and the result आया तो
You know what happened with me? I was also इतना ही confident कि मेरा level 1 हो जाएगा. तो मैं जिस दिन exam देकर आया, उसी दिन मैंने बुक सेलर को बोला कि मुझे लेवल 2 की बुक्स भिजवा दे. बट मैंने वो लेवल एंड मेरे दिमाग में था कि मैं ठीक है पढ़ना शुरू कर दूंगा, बट कभी भी मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं आई जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आया कि मैं वो लेवल 2 की बुक्स पढूं. CFA के साथ उल्टा हुआ. CFA का जब मैंने लेवल 1 किया तब मैंने लेवल 2 की बुक्स ऑर्डर कर दी, क्योंकि उस दिन भी मैं कॉन्फिडेंट था. बट CFA मैंने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया था. FRM के साथ मेरा ऐसा नहीं हुआ. FRM में सो दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी बिग थिंग कि यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ कि लेवल 2 हो जाएगा, लेवल 1 हो जाएगा, लेवल 2 के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं. दैट्स अमेजिंग.
I even reached out to Ishan कि यार कब करूँ मैं level 2 की start preparation. He was like chill. now अभी तो level 1 दिया chill हो जाओ तो हाँ like ठीक है चलो let's give it in November only
I
then.
think it is me who is like ठीक है अगर हो गया तो नेक्स्ट वाला शुरू करते हैं मैं ऐसा हूँ if you would have reached out to me I would have said ठीक है करते हैं ना शुरू I in fact told a few people to हाँ हाँ चलो ना कर लेते हैं शुरू level 2 भी but हाँ अंदर से नहीं होता जब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आता final
अंदर
तब
से
तक
तो
नहीं
हाँ
होता
वो होता ही है कि dicey or still you know.
so
हाँ.
when are you planning to give level 2 now
I plan to give it in November 2022.
and
So
what is your age right
yes,
now
I am 19 currently.
amazing let me see age with that that's amazing that's absolutely amazing do you face difficulty alongside with college doing all this
Since things are online, classes are online, so yes, not much because exams are open book at least in due. So it wasn't that difficult, but yes, I was not able to concentrate on what was happening in the classes. So yes, I missed out on few things, right?
would you want to go back and not take FRM ka decision
No, because this is my food. Because this interests me more than success of college. So yes, I was like, कि no, ये तो करना ही है college तो देखा जाएगा.
and I would actually want to congratulate you at 19 that's
Thank you.
an absolute amazing thing so wait will you be 20 when you clear level 2 huh you'll be 20 na at
Yes,
that time
yes, yes.
amazing things ahead you're in which year of college
I'm in my 4th semester, basically 2nd year.
तो मतलब when you complete college उससे पहले you would have completed FRM
Yes,
hopefully
yes.
this is amazing thank you so much yeah thank you so much to thank you so much for taking out the time yeah thank you so much
My pleasure.